What's up YouTube, it's Vicky here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share with you guys, the tips or tricks I use, just to refresh the look of the things I already own in my wardrobe. So sometimes I want more, like I want more handbag, more shoes, more clothes, but I can't really afford it. So I just roll with these tips, these tricks, and they work for me. So I thought I'd just share a video on that. So the first thing is look groomed. Like make sure your makeup is nice, or if you don't use makeup, make sure you take care of your skin really well, and also your hair, make sure it's well kept and all that, because it helps everything look put together. And the second tip is, if you have boring clothes in your wardrobe like that are so plain and all that, you could do some DIY on it, change it and all that. I'll leave a link in the description just to see some videos I've done on that. And the next tip is, do mix and match. Like things you've never really worn before together, try them on, see if they go together and all that. Like just try things new that are in your wardrobe already, just mix and match and all that. And it's better if you do this earlier, like if you are going to work the next day or school, whatever, it's better to do it the day before that day, just to be comfy and to be sure. And the next tip is, get a designer bag. Like that money you want to use and buy so many things, so many clothes or something like that, just save it up, get a Chanel bag, just a designer bag. I'll leave a picture on the screen so that you can get a good idea of what I'm talking about. Same as shoe, alright? So the next tip is, get out of your comfort zone once in a while. Like things you've never really rocked before, like some looks you've never really rocked before, just try it. Like if you're always putting on formals and all that, just try maybe a sporty look and all that. So it will give a new look, even though it's with things you already have in your wardrobe. So trying these tricks, and all that, you won't even, people won't even know, though you're not dressing for people, but nobody can tell that you just basically rotating around the things you have and all that. So my next tip is fashion belt. Alright, so fashion belt helps to give a nudge to every outfit or something. I'll leave a picture on the screen so that you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. I like fashion belts because most of them are affordable, and it gives your plain look, plain dresses or outfit a different look and all that. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.